Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Kyutai Labs have released another new pocket-friendly TTS model and they have given the name Pocket TTS, a 100 million parameter text-to-speech model with high-quality voice cloning that runs on your laptop. No GPU required, only CPU it can run in your laptop locally. Open source, lightweight and incredibly fast, and they are telling that it is faster than real time. Here you see that they have released the full code inside GitHub, and also I am running it locally from my machine with the only CPU. Okay, so I will tell you that what are the procedure, what are the command that you need to run to install it and run it locally, and also they have the website where you can try it. Here you see that this is their official blog post, Pocket TTS, a high quality TTS that gives your CPU a voice. And here you see that this is the playground. Here you can just give the text, the input, and click on this play button, and also you can change the voice from here, this from this drop down, and also you can download the output voice. Okay, so here you see that I have pasted this text, and if I just play it, then you will see the you will hear the voice. Okay, so before discussing more about this model, let me just show you that how to install it locally. So first of all, I have given these two comment in the description box. This two comment, okay, ubpip install pocket TTS. This is a first comment. Second comment is that python -m pocket TTS serve. With these two comment only, you can run this model locally. And also, if you go to this GitHub repository, scroll down below, here you see that they have given the full installation process. Now, one thing you have to keep it in your mind that you can install the package using pip install pocket TTS, or you can use the uv add pocket TTS. So you may face some problem in case of pip install because many computer doesn't support it, or if you just directly do this uv add pocket TTS, then also you may face problem. So for the simplest way, I have find out a way that if you write in this way uv pip install pocket TTS, then you can install this pocket TTS globally. Then after that, they have given this command, which is the ubs pocket TTS serve. In this way also you may face problem, so that's why our solution is python -m pocket TTS serve. Then it will be it will be served on this port localhost 8000. Here you see, and if you go to this localhost 8000, and there you see that this is the input text that I have given, and also you can change the voice here, and also this is the choose file section, means you can upload the script file or a web file for the voice cloning, and click on this general audio, then it will generate this output, and also you can download that. Okay, this is running from locally. Now if I click on this general audio, here you see that this is the audio that I got, and the text was this: hello world, I am Qtie's pocket TTS. Now if I play this.
Hello world. I am Kyutai's Pocket TTS. I'm fast enough to run on small CPU.
Okay, so I think this is good, and now let me to tell you some of the specification. Here you see that runs on CPU. Currently it is running on my local CPU. Small model size, only the 100 million parameter model, and audio streaming purpose you can use this. Low latency, around 200 millisecond to get the fast audio chunk, and faster than real time. And also they are telling that if you are running this model on the CPU of MacBook Air M4, then it is faster than 6x faster than real time. Okay, and we just only two CPU cores. With the help of only Python API and CLI, you can run this. And voice cloning is possible because here you see that you can upload your own voice here by using this choose file. Okay, and also English only at the moment, and can handle infinitely long text input. So it has a long context window. Okay. So this is the information that I wanted to share with you guys for this new Kyutai Pocket TTS. And also, if you want to know more about the architecture, that what architecture they have followed, okay, so you can read their blog. This is the full architecture that they have mentioned here with the diagram. Okay, how they are actually have built this model. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.